Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got a hat washer cage to check out and test with you that was sent to me as a gift. And I am really excited. So my husband has a ton of baseball caps. They get so gross, guys. They get so gross. So we're gonna assemble this hat cleaning cage, throw this in the washer and see how this works. So it does come with great instructions. You're gonna look for the up sign on the cage. You want to find the one that is marked D and match it with the D spot and then start snapping them into place. Okay, we've got our frame. So now you're going to take your hat and put it securely on the frame, and then you're going to put it in the mesh bag, which has a zipper. So here, let's get to the good before on this. Pretty nasty. Okay, it is all ready to go. Let's go throw it in the washing machine. Okay, it looks so much better. It smells so much better. I'm not going to put it in the dryer just because I don't want to, this is an older hat, so I'm just so we're just going to let it air dry, and I'll show you the finished product once it's dry. But this is great, keeping it shape, keeping it clean, loving it. I hope you do too.